Hey everyone, welcome to another house tour. So my name is Lester. Sa araw na to, we'll be doing a house tour for ARYA Prime dito sa Sentrina Calamba. So this one is 99 square meter and minimum lot area of 91 square meter. So as you can see, very stylish siya, very modern, and we'll take a tour. Tara, let's go. As you can see, yung entry point niya is dun sa ating carport, which is okay. Pagbaba mo ng car, especially pag umuulan, then diretso ka na dun sa pinto. Even a bigger SUV would fit in here. So ano yung mapapansin dito sa bahay na to, medyo unique yung layout niya. This is the kitchen. Still has a room for extension dito. Wanna do a little bit of extension ng kitchen nyo, pwede definitely. Or it could be a dirty kitchen, up to you. So there's a toilet and bowl. But I think the highlight of this unit or this model is yung layout ng ating living area. So this is your living area. And then this is your dining, and this could be another room actually. Sa ngayon, ginawa siyang, in a way, an extension of the living area, pero this could be a guest room. If you put a division here or another door, this could be a kid's room. Depende sa inyo. But the good thing is, it's quite flexible kasi it has enough space for additional functionalities. So yung kitchen natin is, personally, sa akin maliit-liit siya, pero as I've mentioned, if you extend it here or even here, pwede dito, then that should be enough. Punta naman tayo sa ating second floor. But before that, we have this space here. If you wanna have your own table, you can use that part of the house. If not, then you can have an additional storage. Taas tayo dito. Ayan. So standard sa Sentrina is yung, as you can see, yung stairs niya is not straight. It's usually parang circular. And it saves space, and yung ilalim is usable pa. So ARYA has 3 rooms. Of course, your standard balcony is yung taas ng ating carport, which can be extended. Family gatherings, small family gatherings. This could be one of the kids' room or another family member. So it's very spacious. This is single bed. And as you can see, it's very bright. Really more for families and very spacious. And mataas din yung ceiling niya. This will be the masters. You have another bathroom here. This is a very unique design nakikita ko sa mga malalaking bahay. Now you have access for your visitors, but if you want to do it privately, then you can have access from your master's bedroom. So yeah, this one will be a queen size bed. Yeah, you still have enough space for maybe a table here, a study table. This will be a day bed, and could be another room for a guest room or for your kids. It's not the biggest one, but it's good enough for a good size bed, and it's well lit din ng bintana dito. So I guess that's it for ARYA model unit here in Sentrina, and if you're interested, check out the description box below. You have a link for a form there, so just give us your information and what you need. And if you have questions, of course the comment section is always open for everyone. So if you like this house tour, if you want to see more, check out our channel. You can also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you sa ating susunod na house tour. Bye bye.